thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw a cartoon in 3 easy steps. And I was trying to think today now, what should we do? And when that happened, my stomach started to growl. I started to get hungry and I went, oh yeah, how about another food one? A cute little taco like this one. So, if you have a pencil and you have your paper and you have your creativity ready to go, I think it's time to begin to do this lesson. All right, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Was a fun lesson, and I'm gonna make this short because I gotta go and eat some lunch. I'm hungry. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry right now. So what can you take home from this lesson? Very simple, is whatever you're having for lunch, draw it. All right, thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.